the World Trade Organization's first female and first African Director General, Nigouzi Okonjo Iweala, officially took office on Monday. This ended a 6-month leaderless period of the organization, after former chief Rابرٹو stepped down on August the 31st, 2020, a year ahead of schedule. On arrival at the WTO's headquarters here in Geneva, Okonjo Iweala highlighted the importance of the organization.
We have a lot of work to do, so I feel ready to go. I remain honored and humbled by the confidence members have placed in me. I'll bring all my knowledge, passion, experience, and persistence to the task at hand, reforming the organization and achieving results. We need to prioritize action on COVID-19, both for the immediate and longer term, and focus on completing the fisheries subsidies negotiations before the middle of the year. We must agree the roadmap for reform of the dispute settlement system and prepare a work program to achieve this, which can be endorsed at MC12.